Hello everyone, welcome to Fractions Hub. We are going to launch a new course on data science and data analytics. So we got several requests from the students who are trying to apply for data science jobs, as well as the students who would like to learn data science, and also the working professionals who would like to enhance their profile by learning data science and data analytics. So we decided to launch such a course, and so let's talk about the course. The course will consist of 120 hours consisting of 60 videos, and all these 60 lectures will be live on Zoom, and each lecture will consist of 2 hours. And the course has been divided into level 1 and level 2. So the level 1 is for building up the basic, and then for level 2, which will be the advanced stuffs. So you can also follow us on LinkedIn. So this is our profile on LinkedIn for the data science course. So the link is also in the description below. Now this course is starting on 15th February 2022, and the ones who will be teaching this course are Diganto Bhattacharya, who has done his BStat and BMath from ISI Kolkata and is an incoming associate at Morgan Stanley. The next one is Shohardo Roy, who has also done his BStat and MStat from ISL Kolkata and is an incoming associate at Morgan Stanley. Next is Anis Purvis, who has also done his BStat and MStat and is an incoming analyst at JP Morgan and Chase. Archie Day, who has also done her BStat and MStat and now is an incoming analyst at Goldman Sachs. Shomak Laha, who has also done his BStat and MStat from ISI Kolkata and is now an incoming associate at Capital One. And Ronojoy Dokta, who has also done his BStat and MStat and now is an incoming associate at Morgan Stanley. You can also check the profiles by clicking on the links present here. Now, we have also provided demo notes and problems. So the demo notes would give you an idea of what we are going to teach in the course. If you click on the notes here, the links have been all given here. So the lecture notes would open up and you can see them, or you can also download the PDFs. Okay, so now let's talk about the topics that we are going to cover. So the major topics would be linear algebra and linear models, probability theory, data structure and algorithms, statistics for data science, and machine learning and neural networks. So the details of which are all given here. You can see them by visiting the course page, the link of which is in the description below. So for the prerequisite, you should know your 10+2 mathematics, and you must be from math, stat or eco or engineering background, and a detailed structure of what is going to be done in level 1 and level 2 has been given here. You can see that. Now, who can apply? So all the students who are interested to learn data science, and as we just talked about, if you are trying to apply for data science jobs or trying to enhance your profile by learning data science, data analytics, so you are welcome to apply for the course. There are also some sample problems down below, so don't forget to check them out, and you should try them out first, and we will be discussing the solutions of these problems as well. So also we are posting daily one problem on our YouTube channel and also on our LinkedIn profile, so you can also view them and enjoy the problems. First try them out before checking out the solutions, and also a completion certificate will be provided to all the students who will be completing the course. Now let's talk about how you can apply for the course. Along with the 60 lectures, which consists of 120 hours, we are also keeping mock tests and mock interviews along with them. And so the course has 3 parts: level 1, level 2, and the mock tests and the mock interviews. So if you just want to take the mock tests and mock interviews, so you can do that also. And if you want to apply for level 1 and level 2 separately, you can do that. Or if you want to apply as a whole for all the three things together, so it will only cost you 6,000 INR. And if you are trying to apply for level 1 first and then level 2, so you can do that, and each level would cost you 3,500 INR. And if you are just interested in the mock tests and the mock interviews, that would cost you only 1,000 INR. So you can go to our course page. So you can click on get course and you can go for the whichever plan suits you, and you can complete your registration process. So this is all about our new course on data science and data analytics. Hope you'll join the course and you'll like it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.